Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find web browser on your accounts, how to find web browser settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you will find web browser, click on it. That's it. Here you can manage your web browser settings, easy and quick. And that's it. That's how to find web browser settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.